Hey guys, welcome back here on my YouTube channel. It's a wonderful day with a wonderful video. For those who are new here on my channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Floor, and what you are gonna find here is all about product reviews, unboxing videos, skincare recommendations, and sometimes I do fashion haul and travel. So today we are gonna be doing a unboxing video. Yesstyle sent me again another package to unbox with you guys and to share with you as well. The package that Yesstyle sent me is quite big, right? So I'm so super excited. So let's do unboxing video. And let's get started on our unboxing video. So I'm very excited with this, guys. So the first product, Animal PVC makeup brush holder. So this is how it looks like. I will attach on this side how it looks on the application. So next I have a makeup organizer, desk organizer with stickers, color white. So color white desk organizer, you can put a lot of stuff, and look at that, they have a free stickers as well. Can you see it well? So you can put makeup brushes or anything here on the side. Next, I have holographic eye makeup sticker. So it's one box and it has 6 different styles and colors. It have stars, purple hearts, and more. So I will attach here what products are these. So next I have the pork eyebrow tint from the brand RiRe. This is how it looks like. So next I have the Luxe Dual Stick 01. Most I have here are makeup products because I won on a giveaway on a campaign that is a Duyan makeup. So the next item I have the Jewel-Poten glitter liner. It's from the brand MACQUEEN. It is for eye glitter. This is how it looks like. Eye glitter. Next product I have a Pearl Flex glitter eye palette. So this is from the brand CLIO. From the brand CLIO. This is how it looks like. Different shades, eyeshadows with glitters. Okay, next I have a Zero Sebum powder from the brand ETUDE House. From the brand ETUDE House. So it's a sebum drying powder. It's so cute, guys. My baby is so naughty, so I have to deal with him. Also got a fake eyelashes, false eyelashes. This is from the brand Lactacia. It comes with 5 pairs. It's so beautiful, guys. One is the headband. Oh, it's so beautiful, guys. So the next product I have this is makeup brush cleaner. Candy Drop Makeup Brush Cleaner. It's dark pink in color, so you can use this to clean your makeup brushes. Next, I got this cute panda stamp. It's Conan Ceramic Animal Memo Clip Panda. So one size. So actually, you can put pictures, photo. It's like a photo stand. Next I got eye primer. So this is from the brand Saem, Saemmul eye primer. So eye primer is good before applying eyeshadow, so your eyeshadows will be more pigmented. And next I have a professional tool. So this is a stainless steel false eyelashes curved black. So this is to use to put eyelashes, your fake eyelashes. And next I have this peel off hair pants, 2 pieces, color pink. So when you want to do makeup, you can fix your hair with this one. So let's see how good it is. And the next one, I got the Donnae Lace Hem Trench Coat, color wine red. So, winter is coming, so I got this as well. So, I have a new coat for winter. So, this is how it looks like. It's beautiful. So beautiful, guys. The material is good. It have a button, black button here. It's so beautiful. So that's it for today's video. All of the products that I shared with you today, I will attach all the links on the description box. And if you like this type of contents, make sure to subscribe here on my YouTube channel and click the notification bell, like that you will get notified on my future